morning everybody. So we are doing the exercise 12.1. We completed till 3 questions. Okay, now look at the fourth question now. The fourth question is identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. Okay, that expression was given. You have to identify the terms which contain the variable x and you have to give the coefficient of x. The first part, that is a serial number, it's a given expression, terms, that is which contain x, and then coefficient of that x. After that what? Coefficient of x. Expression, terms, coefficient of x. Am I right here? Yes. Now the given question is y square x plus y here. Now how many terms are there? There are two terms. Now the term which contains the variable x means there is only one term. This is the term which contains the variable x. That's what y square x. The terms which contain x. The terms with the variable x. Am I right here? Yes. Now what is that? You have to find the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Leave the coefficient, leave the x, and then what you are having left out? Y square. What you are having? Y square. Leave this x. What is left out? Y square is left out. That coefficient of x is what? Y square. Coefficient of x is what? Y square. Am I right here? Yeah. Now come to the second part. Then 13y square. That is 13y square minus 8yx. So it is a binomial because it has two terms. Okay. Now the term which contains the variable x is what? This is the term which contains the variable x. Here we don't have any x variable here. So this is the term which contains the variable x. Okay. Now what is the coefficient of x now? What is the coefficient of x? Tell me. That coefficient of x is nothing but leave this x, leave this one. So what do you have? Minus 8y. So this is the coefficient of x, that is minus 8y. Am I right here? Yes. And the third part of the question is x plus y plus 2. I think it is a trinomial because we are having three terms here. Am I right? Yeah. Now identify the term which contains the variable x. Here there is only one term, then it will be x. What is the coefficient of x? That is, yes, 1. If you don't have anything, you have to consider as a 1 because 1 into anything into 1 is equal to a. That same number you will get. Am I right here? Yeah. Now come to the fourth part of the same question. 5 plus z plus zx. 5 plus z plus zx. Here we are having three terms. Now identify the term which contains variable only. Which one, dear? Yes, x. That is zx term. Then the coefficient of x is what? Z here. The coefficient of x is what? Z here. Am I right? Yes. Then after that it is x or zx, maybe x. If it is x, then there will be two terms x, that coefficient of x will be 1. Okay. Then after that 1 plus x plus xy. Fifth part is 1 plus x plus xy. Am I right here? It is question number 4. Okay. Now come to the first part of this question. 1 plus x plus xy. Now tell me the coefficient of, okay, first you have to identify the term which contains the variable x. There are two terms here. One is x, another one is what? xy here. Am I right? The coefficient of x will be 1, and then coefficient of x in the term xy is what? Y. That is, leave the x. Then what is left out? Y. Then the coefficient of x in the term xy is what? Y here. And then here 12xy square, sixth part, 12xy square plus 25. Yeah, first you identify the term which contains the variable x. So this is the term. Here we are having two terms. It's a constant term. Then it is 12xy square. What is the coefficient of x? Okay, leave this x term alone. What is left out? 12y square. Then that will be the coefficient. That will be the coefficient. Are you getting there? Yeah. And then seventh part of the question is 7x. That given expression is 7x plus xy square. Now in both the terms contains the variable x, so the terms with variable x are 7x and xy square. Now what is the coefficient of x here? 7. What is the coefficient of x here? Y square. That's all. Are you getting there? So in the fourth question, first part we completed. So we will continue the second part in the next video. Thank you everybody.